Alright, today's day 12 of Inktober, and the theme for today is whale, which I've been called more than once, but that's not a problem, because I don't let things get to me. Anyways, we're going to get started on this one in 5, 4... Day 12 of Inktober, and we've got to draw a whale. Now, of course, everybody has their favorite type of whale, right? Right. Anyways, my favorite type of whale is the beluga whale, which is not a very commonly referenced whale. Whenever you think about it, you know, you look at movies, you see killer whales, even the blue whale, you know, but you never really hear about beluga whales. And the reason why I like a beluga whale mainly is because it looks like a chubby dolphin to me. And I just think that's really cool because I grew up watching Flipper, and if you're too young to remember who Flipper is, or to even know who Flipper is, you need to go ahead and just Google it. Like, just stop this video right here, Google it, or just search a video. Flipper is a great show. It's fun. It's family oriented. It's a wonderful show. Anyway, when working on the beluga whale, my main concern was the shading. The beluga whale is a very chunky whale and very lumpy, so the shading could vary. So I had to be very careful about this. But in the end, I really feel like I nailed this one. And if you've never heard of a beluga whale for whatever reason, don't be ashamed. Just go ahead and Google it, look it up. I'm pretty sure I nailed it pretty well here. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if so, please like the video, comment below, let me know what you think, give me your honest opinion. I'm open to criticisms. Also, hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more of these and you'd like to follow my Inktober challenge as we go on till the end of the month. Also, if you'd like to get some artwork, I have a shop with the link will be in the description below, and you can use that coupon code there for 35% off any artwork in the shop. And if you haven't seen it yet, I did a video of me drawing Jacksepticeye as Spider-Man there, and there's a link to the playlist of my Inktober videos if you'd like to see more of these right now. But until next time, this has been As Seen by Austin.